In a large mixing bowl, add 2 teaspoons of yeast. This is dry yeast or instant yeast. And then 1 teaspoon of sugar and half cup of lukewarm water. So allow all this to prove. After 10 minutes, when the yeast mix is bubbly, add salt to taste and the flour and make a sticky dough, adding more water if necessary. Make a dough, adding more water if necessary. See to it that the dough is sticky and add butter too. Actually, you can add butter even while starting to make the dough. I forgot. Yes. So keep kneading to make a dough, a soft and a sticky dough. Yeah, and allow it to rest till it doubles in size. The vegetable filling for the calzone. Let's see. Chopped beans, chopped capsicum, finely chopped onions, tomato puree of 3 tomatoes. This is corn. Finely chopped spinach. This is grated paneer. This is grated ginger and green chilies. And this is turmeric powder, salt. And this is garam masala and chaat masala. And this is finely chopped cabbage. And this is finely chopped carrot. And we would be adding grated cheese later on. Add olive oil. Add some cumin seeds. Let it turn golden. Yeah. Now add finely chopped onions. Let the onions become translucent. Now add grated ginger and some chopped green chilies. Add some turmeric powder and stir fry. And then it's time to add the chopped vegetables. Begin by adding chopped beans. Stir fry. And adding more oil is optional because the vegetables need to cook, so I added some. Yeah, here comes the oil. Stir and then add the other vegetables, carrots, the finely chopped carrots. Stir fry and then add the chopped cabbage. Yes. Now add salt for the entire calzone filling. Chopped spinach. Now add corn and toss together. Add tomato puree and stir fry. Now add the grated paneer and toss together. Yeah, yummy. Pizza sauce, pizza pasta sauce. Now is the time to add some garam masala and some chaat masala to taste and toss lightly. Capsicum, chopped capsicum. Now add grated cheese. I added Amul cheese. You can add mozzarella or cheddar cheese. Calzone filling is ready. So now let's see what the next step is. See that the dough has doubled in quantity. Yeah. Knock out the air from the risen dough and knead it a bit. So this is the calzone dough divided into equal sized balls, and then take each of the calzone dough and roll it out into discs. Actually this is all-purpose flour, but I made another batch using only wheat flour, so even that tastes good, so you can suit your taste. So this is the rolled out disc into which will go the filling. Fill liberally. Yes. And then fold over. Lightly seal the edges. Yes. Now use a fork to create designs at the edges. And then poke at the top to avoid bursting of calzones. Let me demonstrate one more calzone. So roll out into a disc. Now fill with the stuffing. Fold over. Seal the edges. Now make a design with a fork. And poke lightly on the top to stop bursting. Now brush the calzones with butter or oil for a golden effect. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees centigrade. Calzones are ready to go into the oven. Bake calzones for 10 minutes or till golden. Calzones taste best with tomato ketchup. Now comes the tasting time. Break a calzone into two. Now dunk the calzone into the sauce liberally and gobble it.